Hello and welcome to Motion Time. Today is Tipsy Tuesday. We're gonna talk about tips on using Apple Motion. For today's topic is about behavior is your friend. So let's dive into it. Okay, so why is behavior is your friend? Because behaviors can make your life quite easy. For example, I have here on my canvas a circle. Then if I want this circle to have that overshoot effect or bounce effect, normally what we will do is add keyframes for the scale. For example, let's add the keyframe. Then adjust the interpolation, and adjust the handles. Okay. So we have now an overshoot effect. However, in motion, we can do this quite easily. We just need to add overshoot effect. How to do that? Let's reset this one. Then here on the rightmost part of our scale, click this one. Add parameter behavior. Select overshoot. Now we want our behavior to end at 1 second. So let's just press O. Go to the first part of our timeline. Then adjust the start value. So negative 100 because our scale set to 100. And that's it. We already have an overshoot or bounce effect for our circle. We can fine tune this. Just adjust ramp duration and cycles. So it was very easy. Let's delete that one. So next, most common is the opacity or the fade in fade out. We can easily do that. Using behaviors. We just go to behaviors. Basic motion. The fade in, fade out. So currently the fade in, fade out takes up all our timeline. So currently it will fade in at 20 frames and fade out at 20 frames. So 20 frames. Our circle already fade in. From here and start to fade out. Quite easy. Another thing. For example, if we want our shape or a layer to have a random position. Of course, we can keyframe it, but long time to do that. To achieve a randomized position. We can easily do that. We just need to add the randomized position. The randomized behavior in our position. For example, select our position. Rightmost part. Add parameter behavior. Then randomize. As you can see, we already have this random motion position. Of course, you can adjust all the parameters here to suit you. Adjust this amount. You can see noisiness. So it depends on you. What's next is doing text animation. So let's have a text on our canvas. Motion time. Okay. Let's center it up. Adjust the size. reset the position, reset so the in motion we have text behaviors. A lot of text behaviors. Just go here on behavior. Just go here on then behavior. We have all of this. Then we have all text of animation, this. Text basic animation, text basic, text and subtle. Two text so subtle. What I recommend is use this sequence text so that you can have a lot of options or parameters that you can adjust or parameters or that animate you can adjust for your or animate text. For your example, text. I want my text to appear one by one and one by one from bottom and start so first from bottom. Let's add a parameter. So first let's add a parameter position format, and also position, add format and opacity. Also add format opacity. Also, don't forget to adjust duration of our sequence text. So I want my sequence text to finish at frames. 20 so I will press O. Then go to the start of our timeline. Then here on the position. Then here on the position. Y position. Because I want to go down from bottom to down from then bottom to top. Then opacity. It will sequence from here from 0 then to 100 position of 200 then from position of 260. So just like this I have my custom using behaviors. So next behaviors. Let's add again a circle. Let's center again a circle. Center it up. Go to our start of our timeline. The start of our timeline. Press I because we started our so we need shape to extend it again. We need to extend it again. Shape behaviors. Shape. For example, we can wriggle the shape. We can wriggle the shape. Of course, you need to follow disperse because circle not have any points. So wriggle shape. So we have this now. So as you can see, behaviors in motion is really useful if you want to animate some things much faster than keyframing. However, keep in mind that there are some things that you really need to keyframe. However, behaviors can speed it up in some way. So thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed that Tipsy Tuesday for Apple Motion. Thank you and see you again next time. Peace.